Number 17. Pangatlong foul mo na yan. Natitirang oras natin is 2 minutes and 41 seconds. Score po natin 75-83. Okay. Penalty na po, 4 teams. 2 shots po ang maibibigay pa sa mga kakamping. Penalty na po, both teams. Shots po para kay Number 0. First right na is basket yan. Kung yung tingin na habang ang mga kakamping. Penalty possible pa yan. Second try, basket ulit. 2 minutes and 40 seconds remaining. Number 17 ngayon, tama na bola binigay kay Sawya. Sawya sa ilalim. Basket yan. 2 minutes para sa Sawya. 2 minutes and 25 seconds remaining. 15 seconds on the shot clock. Santa Maria. Basket yan. 2 minutes and 10 seconds remaining. 20 seconds on the shot clock. Number 17 basket. Last 2 minutes. Last 2 minutes. Santa Maria, tuloy-tuloy sa basket. Basket yan. 1 minute and 45 seconds remaining. 1 minute and 35 seconds remaining. 15 on the shot clock. 10 on the shot clock. 5 sahod nyo na. Number 7 yan, Samawi. 3 minutes para kay Number 7. 1 minute and 12 seconds remaining. 1 minute and 10. 15 seconds on the shot clock. Basket yan para kay Number 17. 1 minute left. 1 minute. Ang ganda! 50 seconds left. 50 seconds. Tebo na. 13 on the shot clock. 10 seconds. 5 seconds. Ano yun, sir?
Layo pa rin ng banda eh.